You woke up in one piece, but not quite whole. Your hips feel blocked, your breath shallow, your thoughts already racing. Let's create space before the world starts asking for more. Let's hit the mat. Tight hips and a stiff spine can make you feel stuck before the day even begins. This opens both. Step your right foot into a lunge, a back knee down, place your left hand on the ground, and lift your right arm into a twist, opening your chest. Hold for a few deep breaths, then switch sides halfway through the minute. I promise this move is how you unlock your rotation, breath, and mental clarity. If the twist feels like too much, keep your hands on your thigh and focus on the hip stretch. Do you feel that in your hips yet? Now that your core is rotating, let's engage the backside one leg at a time. When your mind is cluttered, lifting one leg can ground your thoughts and stretch your strength. Start in downward dog, lift your right leg high behind you, reaching through your toes while pressing both hands into the mat. Lower and repeat on the left side after 30 seconds. I promise this move is how you unlock full body connection with lightness and control. Bend the lifted knee if the hamstring is tight. It's not about height, it's about space. Hold for 5 more seconds. Breathe through it. Now that your hips are engaged, let's let them melt. Some parts of your body don't need to be pushed. They need to be invited to release. Bring your right knee forward and angle it towards your left wrist. Extend your back leg behind and fold forward if it feels good. Switch to the left side halfway through the minute. I promise this move is how you unlock emotional release through your hips. Use a cushion under your hip if you feel uneven or unsupported. Next one brings everything back in, gently. Now that your hips have opened, let's cradle your lower back with softness. Your lower back carries the weight off your schedule. This gives it a break. Lie on your back, hug your right knee into your chest and breathe deeply. Gently rock side to side if it feels natural. Switch legs after 30 seconds. I promise this move is how you unlock release in your lumbar spine and nervous system. If hugging your leg feels tight, hold behind your thigh instead of the shin. Let's make this one your most grounded hold so far. You've come this far. Now let's rise into fluid motion and finish strong. When life feels linear and stiff, this playful motion brings back flow and rhythm. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, hands on hips, circle your hips in full slow rotations, forward, aside, back, and around. Switch directions halfway through the minute. I promise this move is how you unlock pelvic freedom and reconnect to joy. Keep the circles small to start and let them grow as your body wakes up. Let's make this last one your strongest, smoothest circle yet. Return to center, take one long breath in, and let it all go.